Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video about attachments in Joplin. As many of you already know, Joplin allows you to attach many different types of files to your notes. This includes images, drawing files, PDF files, and videos. These attachments help you create richer and more complete notes, bringing together all your information in one place. Let's start with PDF files. When you attach a PDF to a Joplin note, the way it is displayed depends on the editor view you are using. In the Markdown view, the PDF is displayed directly inside the note using a What You See is What You Get preview. You can scroll through the PDF content directly within Joplin without opening an external application. In the Rich Text Editor, the PDF appears as an inline link. The file remains fully accessible. You can click on it to open it, and it can still be processed using Joplin's built-in OCR feature. To use OCR, simply right-click on the PDF attachment and select View OCR Text. This will open a text file containing all the text detected in the PDF. Please note that OCR only reads non-handwritten text. One of the key advantages of this system is search. Because Joplin indexes the content of PDF attachments, including OCR text, you can find a note not only by its title or written content, but also by searching for text contained inside the attached PDF itself. You can also attach video files to your notes. Here again, the behavior depends on the editor view. In the Markdown view, videos can be played directly inside the note thanks to an embedded video player. This allows you to watch the video without leaving Joplin. In the Rich Text Editor, the video is still fully accessible, but it is opened using a control click. This works in the same way as opening other attachments in Joplin. Of course, you can also attach images to your notes. Images are displayed directly inside the note and behave as you would expect. All these attachment features make it easy to build complete notes that centralize your documents, references, and media. Another important advantage of Joplin is how it lets you manage these attached files. For example, if you want to review the attachments used across your notes, or if you notice that your Joplin profile is becoming quite large and you want to do a quick checkup, you can access the Attachment Management view. To do this, go to the top menu, click on Tools, and then select Note Attachments. In this window, you can see all the files attached to your notes, along with their file size, their unique ID, and options to manage them. You can search for a specific attachment and, if needed, delete it. Please be careful when deleting attachments, as this action is permanent. Before removing a file, you can click on it to open it in your system's default viewer. This allows you to confirm whether the attachment should be kept or deleted. We hope this video helped you better understand how attachments work in Joplin. If you have any questions, or if you have suggestions about file formats you would like Joplin to support, feel free to let us know. Thank you for watching, have a great day, and see you soon in another video.